If you want to play games, manage your library, or just stay low-key on Steam without friends seeing that you are active, there are two easy ways to do it. You can go invisible, which is usually the best option if you still want to use Steam normally and keep chatting privately, or you can go completely offline, which disconnects you from the social side of Steam. In this video, I'll show you both methods step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam tips and gaming guides. Let's get into it. First, let's look at the fastest method, which is using the friends list. Open Steam and look at the bottom right corner of the window. You should see the friends and chat button there. Click that to open your chat panel. Once the friends and chat window opens, look at the top where your profile name and avatar are displayed. Right next to that, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open your status options. From the menu, select Invisible. This is the easiest way to appear offline to other people while still keeping access to your friends list. Once you switch to Invisible, your friends will see you as offline, but you can still browse the Steam store, download updates, launch games, and even send messages if you want to. So if you want privacy without fully disconnecting, Invisible is usually the best choice. Now, if you want to go one step further, you can use the offline option instead. This is the second method, and it works through the main Steam menu. Go back to the main Steam window and at the top menu bar, click on Friends. A drop-down menu will appear with your online status options. From there, choose either Invisible or Offline, depending on what you need. If you pick Offline, Steam will make you appear offline and reduce your connection to the social features even more. This is useful if you do not want friends messaging you or if you want a more private session overall. Just remember, offline is a little more restrictive than invisible, so if you still want to stay connected while hiding your status, invisible is usually the smarter option. A quick tip here. If you only want to avoid notifications and people seeing you online, invisible is the most convenient setting. If you want to step away completely from the social side of Steam, then offline is the better choice. Either way, both options are very easy to switch back later, so you can always return to online whenever you want, and that's it. Now you know how to appear offline on Steam using both the friends and chat panel and the main menu. It only takes a few seconds and it's a great way to keep your gaming time private. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and check out more Steam tutorials for beginners. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.